Border Patrol recorded an average of more than 8,000 daily migrant apprehensions over the past 3 days. That's according to agency chief Raul Ortiz. This amid concerns of a larger spike coming when Title 42, the pandemic-era border policy, ends on Thursday. For more, CBS News Chief Washington correspondent Major Garrett joins us now. Major, Title 42, you've covered the White House, you've covered politics for years. How do you see this impasse, this crossroads?
So I was just in Arizona on Friday. I interviewed Katie Hobbs, the Democratic governor. She said the Biden administration is unprepared for the lifting of Title 42, even though it is the administration that is lifting Title 42. Said that she is working day in and day out to prepare for an onslaught of illegal crossers into Arizona, and that she's barely been in touch with either the president and not been in touch with the vice president at all about this. This is a Democratic governor, border state, someone that you would think the White House would be engaging with regularly. What do you need? What are your anxieties? What are you preparing for? Zero.
What are they preparing for? What do they expect in Arizona?
Governor Hobbs told me that they see the 1,500 troops going on an administrative capacity, essentially back up, handling paperwork in Texas. What did she tell me? She said, what does that mean? I've lived through this before as someone who served in the legislature in Arizona. When you fortify Texas, things move to Arizona and New Mexico. So they're anticipating a spillover effect as Title 42 is lifted. And they're preparing for that. Their tempo, she said, is every single day to be on the phone with everyone in their either county sheriff's departments, National Guard, or other mechanisms within Arizona to prepare for this. So it's a practical problem. It's a political problem. And this has been a political problem for the Biden White House almost since day one. Independents regard this question as you're changing, or you say you're changing Trump-era policies. What's the practical effect? More border crossing?
Help us understand that, though. We keep hearing Title 42 in the news. If you're not following this very closely, what is Title 42 and what's changing? What's the basic here?
Title 42, though you hear it a lot now in an immigration context, has nothing to do with immigration. It is a public health policy used by the Trump administration during COVID to say, hey, using this public health protocol, we can deny anyone entry on a public health basis. The Biden administration has essentially kept that. If you're trying to seek asylum or other ways of crossing the border, through public health, we can say, no, you cannot come in. And that's the end of it. The lifting of that is reflective of a couple of things. The pandemic is over, not just as a means by how we're dealing with it at work and play and everything else, but the administration has said the pandemic emergency relief measures are over. So if you're lifting those, how can you keep this public health policy on the border? You can't. Not as a practical matter, and probably not as a legal matter. So it's being lifted. But how are you preparing for that? How are you helping those on the front lines deal with this? And when you hear a Democratic governor who wants more help from the Biden administration saying, I need more help, and they're not there, they're not responsive, I think that is a very...
What do they want? More troops on the border? Do they want a wall? Do they want a new policy?
They, again, quoting the governor, what Katie Hobbs told me is, what I need is clearer lines of communication about why this is happening, what the administration has done in my state and elsewhere to prepare for it, and to provide me the resources for those who are probably going to be crossing the border. All those things. And that resources falls into a lot of different categories. It can be Border Patrol. It can be migrant facilities, temporary or otherwise. All of that is not there to her satisfaction. And when you hear a Democrat say that, you know that this is a problem for the Biden administration, not just in terms of politics. It's been a persistent one politically, but in the kind of thing the Biden administration says it's really good at. Preparation, execution, and follow-through. Not happening in Arizona.
A lot of ongoing discussions. Gun control, the debt limit, immigration. We'll leave it there. Major Garrett, really appreciate you stopping by.